Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, also not much happened here today. Still consolidating. The rally that started sort of yesterday was not really sustainable, at least not yet. Ether hasn't followed through yet. I already mentioned in the previous videos that Ether was a little bit lagging behind Bitcoin. Bear in mind, tomorrow we've got core PCE data that's going to be reported. So potentially some catalysts there tomorrow. But the situation hasn't changed. Still, the base case is that another high is likely. One more extension in this 5-wave move to the upside. The move up here would be in this diagonal pattern. So the wave 5 here is an ending diagonal, which means we're dealing here with 5 waves, yes, but corrective waves in the subwave structures. So here, wave 1 is a 3-wave move, then wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3. It seems like the wave 3 would also be, the C wave of wave 3 is also an ending diagonal. This is where it's getting a little bit messy, and not only messy, but also sort of unreliable. So I'm thinking about other options because, an ending diagonal in an ending diagonal is starting to get very difficult and also not so trustworthy. Then we have a wave 4 and a wave 5. This would still be the preferred count. However, I'm thinking about other options. 2 other options that I've got. One is new. So the first one would be if we obviously cannot really move any higher here than where we currently are. If we cannot break above that 2095 level that I've been highlighting as very important level to break out in the last few videos. If we cannot break above 2095, because that for me is the level where we said, okay, if we break above that level, it would be good confirmation that we're actually moving finally in wave 5. We can't do that. Then, and we break below this 1965 low as well, or it's actually support, then we're likely in the yellow count where we get a more complex A, B, C correction, and the wave 4 that presumably finished on the 17th of November. That wave 4 will just be reset a little bit lower. Another option I thought about today is that all of this is a triangle, a massive wave 4 triangle. Why not? A wave, yeah, then a lower high in a B wave, a higher low in a C wave. Maybe the wave D plays out now, and then another wave E, and then we move up. Okay, so this could also be a massive triangle. I have to say though, I haven't really got enough waves in place for a triangle. Not yet. I mean, it's a bit too early to really confirm it, but we've got this sort of range movement, and an Elliott wave triangle oftentimes, especially in crypto, is a contracting triangle, which means it's characterized by higher lows and lower highs. We would need a little bit more price data for that. Again, that wouldn't be bearish. It would just mean we are dealing with sideways consolidation that could lead to basically another high. Yeah, what else? I mean, looking at the micro, the idea would be that, as I already mentioned, a larger degree wave 4 finished on the 17th of November. Then we had a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. Then this is an A, B, C. We're basically in this C wave of wave 3. And in this C wave, yeah, we completed possibly a wave 1, a wave 2. This could be an A, B, even though I will probably change that for tomorrow. Yeah, and this is getting a little bit unreliable. Yeah, because this is getting too huge. Okay, A, B. But let's see what happens overnight. In any, I wouldn't be so worried about the wave count itself. Micro count is just an idea I have, just a suggestion, especially in a diagonal. Prepare yourself for regular wave count changes if we're dealing with diagonal structures. Especially if we talk about the the micro structure here. But yeah, I think the key levels are really here the low that was made on Monday at around 1989, then the 78.6 retrace at 1965. Below that level, we've got 1909 and 1839 as key support. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.